Okay, so am I audible to you? Can you hear me? Am I audible to you? Uh, can you hear me clearly? Okay, so let us proceed now for today's session, and this is related to opportunities which we have for different domains of electronics, electrical, and instrumentation engineering. So I will be discussing today that as electrical, electronics, and instrumentation engineer, which areas you can apply, where you can apply in different domains, and what are the various opportunities and how you can explore all those opportunities. And on YourPedia, we provide all the information and details to you related to this. Now, before I go forward, let me tell you one, this particular information related to last year forms, when the forms were, when the forms came out for different institutes, that list of forms when it was advertised. This year that list is entirely different, dates are entirely different. The details of each form, each update you are getting on website of YourPedia. If you go on website of YourPedia, you will find that latest updates of various forms are there. Latest in the list is IIIT Bangalore, which is very important institute for electrical, electronics, instrumentation engineer. IIIT Bangalore is very important institute. So that is the latest. I will discuss about that also. In fact, a video will be uploaded soon related to IIIT Bangalore. So let me tell you, last year these were the dates. The way they were advertised last year, like IIT Hyderabad, IISc Bangalore, IIT Bhubaneswar. So these were the dates. So these all started before GATE result was out. Somewhere around 15th March, GATE result was out, and 15th March to 25th March, within these 10 days, maximum forms were out last year also. And till mid of April, you can get the form. So next 1 month, majority of the forms will be out. So today is the 10th March. So till 10th of April, you will get maximum of the forms for various admissions in different IITs, different institutes, and then NITs will start, and that CCMT process will start. So that was for the last year. Now, if I tell you about this year, then so far this year, the some forms which are out here are for IISc Bangalore. The forms are out for IISc Bangalore, and IISc Bangalore, there are three courses. One is MTech course, another is MTech research course, and then direct PhD course, and PhD after MTech is also available. So these three courses are there. And in IISc Bangalore, you need to have GATE score for getting admission. So for without GATE, you do not have option in IISc Bangalore. So that institute, you cannot get opportunity there. But when we talk about IIT Hyderabad, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Gandhinagar, there was early MTech, early PhD, for which students have got the calls, interview calls, and students, sorry, not interview calls, the calls from the professors. Those who applied, they have started getting that particular calls also. So 8th March was the last for IIT Gandhinagar early MTech, early PhD programs, which was without GATE, obviously, and it was on the basis of the ranks. And then 30th March is the last date for PhD for IIT Gandhinagar. So far, these are the institutes. And then IIT Indore is the institute which has advertised the PhD forms. IIT Indore, that is also the last date for that is, I think, as per the department, like electrical engineering 23rd March, electrical electronics instrumentation 23rd March. For PhD program, that is IIT Indore. And if I talk about without now GATE, many of the students who do not have GATE score, or whose GATE score is very less, and they also want to apply, let me tell you, the opportunities so far are IIIT Hyderabad. Without GATE also, there is an exam which they call PG entrance exam. And other than IIIT Hyderabad, IIIT Bangalore is also out now. So two main institutes which electrical instrumentation engineer can think of joining, they are IIIT Hyderabad and IIIT Bangalore. Now, many of you who are preparing for foreign admissions also, like GRE and all, let me tell you, IIIT Bangalore mein GRE score is also acceptable as GATE. So if you do not have GATE, if you have GRE score, GRE is all verbal score. So last 5 years का GRE score अगर आपके पास है, you can apply in IIIT Bangalore also. And let me tell you, the GRE score requirement may not be as high as GATE score, so that can be easy entry for some of the students into IIIT Bangalore. Even without GATE or GRE, you can think of entering into IIIT Hyderabad and IIIT Bangalore, because there is a written exam. So IIIT Hyderabad and IIIT Bangalore, you have three courses. MTech 2 years, MS is also 2 years, and then there is a PhD for 5 years. In IIIT Bangalore also there is MTech course, there is a MS course and PhD course, and these two IIITs are the top IIITs. And let me tell you, there are other IIITs also in India, like IIIT Delhi, IIIT Allahabad, but unka process alag hai. These two are different and other IIITs are different. These are private institutes, IIIT Hyderabad and all. They are not under government, so they are private institutes, and admission process is different, and they take without GATE also. They have got their own exam also. Its form is 2500 rupees, and the form of IIIT Bangalore is 1000 rupees. So that IIIT Bangalore video will be soon uploaded. Please check that. I have discussed in detail about their exam pattern, what kind of exam will be there. 21st March onward, you will start getting the forms for that. And for this, the forms end date is 3rd of April. So starting date is 22nd Feb and 3rd April is the last date. But IIIT Bangalore, 21st March onward, you will start getting the forms. VIT Vellore also start date and end date they have given. Manipal also they have given. So there are so many students who are not in position to do good, जिनका एग्जाम गेट एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं जाता. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होता है. दे हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी, even without GATE they can do good, they can get into good institutes. I've told many times, IIT Hyderabad, IIIT Hyderabad, IIIT Bangalore, IIT Jodhpur and top NITs आपको सेल्फ स्पॉन्सर्ड कैटेगरी में लेती हैं, एंड IIT मद्रास में भी कुछ ऑप्शंस उस तरीके से होता है. I will discuss that particular things also. So far, what forms have come? What are the last date? Which last dates are approaching? As of now, last date was only of IIT Gandhinagar, 8th March, which has gone, but that was basically early MTech, early PhD. That was through, your departmental ranking, and if you are from select institutes. Other than that, last date किसी का भी नहीं निकला है. One more thing I want to tell you, if you are from centrally funded technical institute, if you are from centrally funded technical institute, and if you do not have even GATE, then also you can land up in top IITs. So you should know where you can apply as centrally funded technical institute, where you can apply in India. You should know that, and there will be interview and everything, and then you can get into those particular courses also. So that is something which is required. That is where you are to basically land up. Now, today's session, I have taken two institutes. I have taken one institute as IIT Hyderabad, and another institute I have taken as IISc Bangalore. I am going to discuss with you that as electrical engineer, which areas of specialization you can join. That is what I am going to discuss with you. Let me tell you, our main purpose is to get into good job, and electrical and instrumentation engineers get very good placements in IITs, NITs. There are so many good departments where you get very good placements, and you need to make a very judicious decision which institute, which branch you will pick it up, so that you get very good placements. That is number one, you should understand. Number two, there are non-core domains also. Like you will be interested that I want a good package, and if you ask me honestly, the good packages nowadays are in the non-core domain. So if you think of joining, data science, you think of joining IT domains, IT courses, then there are very good opportunities for all of you. And you should not have a mental block that I want only to join my electronic field. You should be ready to join, any particular non-core field also, like data science and all. For that, this some information of data science may be required, some information is not required. For example, if you listen to my IIIT Bangalore video today, you will understand that what are the areas and how you can go there, and what are the syllabus, what is the syllabus for written exam and interview, how you can go there. So you should understand that particular thing. So if you have decided that I want to get the best placement in these institutes, I want a best placement, then you should start preparing little bit. There are so many learning modules available nowadays. Data science you can learn, or coding you can learn, And the moment you join master's program, you can prepare simultaneously for placement and you can land up in very good placement. I want to tell you second thing is like students are really confused between MTech and MS. Let me tell you this thing very clearly, and you can ask any student of IITs, NITs, he will also tell you the same thing. MS program is better for placement than MTech program. Student get confused that MS means Masters of Research or MTech research. That means we have to do a lot of research, and that means teaching is the option. That means PhD is the option. That is the most misunderstood thing by students. It is easier, I will say, with the low gate score you can enter into MS. You will get more time to prepare for placement, and the opportunity to get good job is more in MS than in MTech. I'm telling you that clearly, and this is on the basis of my interaction with thousands of students who are in different institutes and doing masters this year. And I tell you one more thing, this year there is a crazy placements are going on in all institutes. You can ask any of the student what kind of placement situation is there. Even in institutes like IISc Shibpur, that is in Bengal, and Jadavpur University, the placements are very good. In NITs, in IITs, the placement for your domain, electronics, electrical instrumentation placements are very good. But another thing you should know is that if you want to get good placement, you need to put effort for that. Without putting effort, you will not get placement. You need to increase your skill. Second thing student misunderstand is like there are only some department where they can good placement. That may be true if you want to get into core branch like VLSI. Suppose you want to say, okay, sir, I want to very good job in my field. Then the fields like VLSI, microelectronics, they are good. Embedded system are good. But suppose you only want good placement, a non-core sector also you are ready. You join any department, not only electrical electronic department. Even if you join aerospace department, even then students, and I've interacted with the students, those who joined these kind of department like control system in aerospace and got 25 lakh per annum as the placement from IITs. There are students, and I have interacted with them, and they have told that how they prepared for the placement and they got very good placements. So that means you can get placement from any particular course. So what you should try to do is, first you should try to maximize your options. First you should try to get as many options as possible on table, and then you should try to join the option which is best for placement. And YourPedia will make you interact with students who are doing the masters in this field. We will make you talk to those students who are doing masters in this field. You can ask them what kind of placement is there. This year YourPedia has students in almost every campus and every course, so you can interact, and interactions are every day going on. Many of you are already attending those interactions when we are inviting the experts, students from these courses, and they are telling you that what kind of placements are going on there. So you should explore the options, and then as per those options you should try to make best decision for you. So remove these kind of myths from your mind and then proceed forward. So let me summarize before I tell you the departments in which you can apply, which are open for you. So first myth is that MTech versus MS. For placement, MS is a better course than MTech. Second myth, if my GATE score is low or if I do not have GATE score, then my journey ends here. I need to wait for next year. Do not need to drop. If placement is your option, if the reason is something else you want to drop, that is another story. But if your placement is your option, placement is your need, you want to get placement more than 15-20 lakh per annum, you are electronic electrical instrumentation engineer. I'm not talking about other branches, I'm talking about your branch. And if you do not have GATE score of low GATE score or something like that, still you want a very good job, then there are options. And I told you, even without GATE there are options. You can do that. Third is, if you want to get good job, you join any department. I'm telling you, you join any department. If you join any department and from the very first day you start preparing for placements, you will get a placement. And this is not my words, these are the words of the students who are doing masters. And many of you are already watching those videos in which I've interacted with these students across the institutes. I've talked with students from IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Palikkad, IIT Mandi, IIT Ropar, NIT Surathkal, NIT Bhopal, BIT, VIT, Manipal. I have interacted with all the students, and this is what I'm telling you is on the basis of my interaction with the students there. So you will get opportunities. Third is, next couple of months you need to be busy. with applications. You need to apply in different places. If you will not apply, you will not get calls. If you will not get calls, obviously nothing can explore. So you need to apply in different places where mentors of YourPedia will suggest you. So mentors of YourPedia will suggest you that you apply here, and please do that. Do not make wrong decision, because that can be really costly for you. Don't make a wrong decision. Maybe you can get advice from someone that don't apply, your score is low. Like you are now you are raw, you are mentioning 410 gate score. People will tell 410 pay you get nothing. And I will tell you the my interaction video with the student 410, they are getting very good placements from old IITs. So that means you need to know how to enter in this. Before that, you need to know how to apply. And if you do this, certainly you get opportunities, and you can explore the opportunities. So remove all the myths, and you can get into that. Now let me discuss with you, as electrical engineer, where in IIT Hyderabad you can apply. And as you know, IIT Hyderabad may there is a self-sponsored thing also. Self-sponsored means you can, even if you do not have gate score, there's a written exam, you can clear written exam, fees you have to sponsor. And there's another myth that if self-sponsored, my fees is very high, I'm a poor man, I cannot pay the fees. You need not to take money from your parents, I'm telling you that. Because maximum students are studying in Niti Bombay and all these institutes without taking money from their parents. They get the loan, easy loan. And also I want to tell you, like those of you who are interested in management courses are there in Niti Bombay. There's a management course, and MS program is there in IISc Bangalore, for which I have put a video. There's a MS course in management in DOMS, and there's a MS course in IEOR Bombay. And majority of old IITs, there are MS courses. And MS course means even if your gate score is 450 or 400, even then you can get a call, interview call there, and you can get into those institutes. So prepare well, irrespective of your gate score, you can get it there. So I will come to that DIIT placement wise and all. So those details I'll provide you. First, let me tell you, in two institutes, IIT Hyderabad and IISc Bangalore, as electronics engineers, with how many departments you people are eligible to apply. Let me start one by one. So you can apply in artificial intelligence department, and in that you can apply as MTech with the TA, that is 2 years you can go. And also in MTech 2 years program, self-sponsored also you can go. But when you want to go for self-sponsored, then there is a test, and then there is an interview. So cutoffs, please don't believe, though I'm showing you the cutoffs, do not believe the cutoffs. There's a variation every year in the cutoffs. So just go with what mentors of YourPedia are suggesting you, on the basis of the feedback we get from the students. So like suppose here 750 is given, but you tell me your score, some score you tell me, then the mentor will tell you whether you should apply the form, apply in IIT Hyderabad or not. That mentors are going to tell you. Now this is self-sponsored, that means no gate. Even if you do not have gate score, even then you can think of pursuing artificial intelligence. But because there is a test and then there is an interview, that tells you that you need to prepare for a couple of more months religiously to get up or land up in these institutes. Then there is a MTech for 3 years also, and then there's a a valid gate score. What is the meaning of valid gate score? That means it should be qualified, not a very high gate score. Valid gate score should be there. But then there's a test, and then there's an interview. So there is a MTech 2 years with the TA, MTech 3 years, MTech, but for this very high gate score may be required, valid gate score may be required, something like that. Similarly, electrical communication and signal processing, you are to basically go for 2 years program, 2 years self-sponsored, and 3 years. Something interesting here. Microelectronics, VLSI, same thing for you. You should have a gate paper in electronics and communication. So every year, every place, electrical engineer may not be eligible to apply. So electrical engineer, in this case, they are saying gate paper in electronics and communication. That means, can electrical engineer apply in VLSI everywhere? Answer is no. They cannot apply everywhere. So I will tell you later on in which domains as electronic engineer, as electrical engineer you can apply. So this is how it is to be done. Power electronics and power system, again the same. Systems and control, this is the department. Smart mobility is a very, very important department. So many students last year got into smart mobility, and placements are also very good in this particular department. So CSE, network and information security, that is another department. Biomedical, medical sensing, analytical and simulation. You know, when you see these kind of departments like biomedical department and all, something comes to the mind is that maybe the placements are not good there. Don't presume it, please don't presume it. So best way is that suppose you landed up in biomedical or you got biomedical, talk to the student who is actually there, who is doing his masters there. He is the best person to tell you about the placements. And YourPedia is going to connect you with such students, and we are having interactions every day with such students. Like biomedical, if you want to go, then how you can proceed forward. And high gate scores are not required for getting into these courses, and in fact these gate scores are for 2 years MTech. For other courses gate scores are not even mentioned, right? Similarly, climate change you can apply, and energy science and technology is a very good department. E-waste resource is a very good department. Integrated sensor system, ISS, is also a very good department here, and there's a self-sponsored seats in almost all these departments. Other than this, there is a this medical innovation device, that is also one of the domain in which you can apply. There is also self-sponsored. So if you see IIT Hyderabad में there are so many self-sponsored opportunity for you. बहुत सी self-sponsored seats हैं आपके पास IIT हैदराबाद के अंदर, और इसकी काफी number of seats हैं. So as electrical engineer, how many departments can you apply? You can apply medical innovation device, integrated sensor system, e-waste resource, energy science and technology, climate change, biomedical, medical sensing, and network and information security. This smart mobility, systems and control, power electronics, microelectronics, VLSI, and then electrical communication and signal processing, that is electrical department, artificial intelligence. So these are the departments in which you can apply. But remember that there is a written exam and there is a basically interview which you are to face in these particular courses. So those of you without your gate score, they have very big opportunities here in IIT Hyderabad. See, I'm going to answer all your questions. Okay, so what is your question? I'm not getting Vishal. What is your question? Yeah, OBC 630 gate score कुछ हो पाएगा? See, OBC 630 गेट स्कोर वाला स्टूडेंट जो है वो मेन आईआईटी ओल्ड आईआईटी में बैठा हुआ है. So there are students OBC more than 600 gate score who are studying in old IITs, and the videos are there on the panel of YourPedia. Watch it. I mean, there are so many students who are with this gate score sitting there, so there is no dearth of that. So they are already there. So let me finish with this particular presentation and then I will take all your questions. Let me finish with the IISc Bangalore first, then I will take all your questions. Please hold there. Let me finish it. I am telling you two institutions today. One is IIT Hyderabad. Another I am telling you is IISc Bangalore. These two institutes I am telling you that as electronic engineer where you can apply, and then I am going to answer your questions. Now, this is IISc Bangalore. IISc Bangalore is a very good institute. There are so many interdisciplinary departments in which you can apply. And those of you who think that energy studies से career नहीं बनता, placement नहीं मिलता, MS एनर्जी साइंस से इस बार एक स्टूडेंट को 28 लाख पर एनम पैकेज मिला है. आई एम टेलिंग यू, रिपीटिंग यू, एनर्जी स्टडीज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का बच्चा है, एनर्जी स्टडीज में उसने ज्वाइन करके ही हैज टेकन 28 लाख पर एनम एनर्जी साइंस से. So he has got that particular job actually, and that job is related to hybrid company. I mean, related to electronic system and Internet of Things or something like that. So I have interacted with him. I'll upload that video soon for you also. So you can get jobs in any department. Only thing is आपको पहले दिन से तैयारी करनी है. If you want to get more motivated for these things, you can talk to the senior, a genuine fellow who is doing masters. Tell him that companies visit the campus. They will say हाँ companies तो आती हैं. क्या जॉब लगती है लोगों की? वो बोलेगा लगती भी है. उसकी लगती है the person who is preparing well. If you are preparing well, you will get a job. So department is not a problem. Department, any department you go, you can get a job. Now, as electrical engineer, how many departments can you apply in IISc Bangalore? I'm going to discuss with you that. And there are three courses: MTech course, MS course, and PhD course. So there are three courses here: MTech, MS, and PhD course. Now, Center for Product Design and Manufacturing. Don't bother about manufacturing part, that is a production. This department also is a unique department, a good department, and you can, have your any discipline. So he's saying BTech in any discipline. That means the department in which any discipline student can join, that is called interdisciplinary department. Now students have a lot of confusion about interdisciplinary department. Let me tell you, interdisciplinary department is a department in which the students from different branch of engineering can join, बट यू विल बी डूइंग द वर्क इन योर ओन फील्ड. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम मैकेनिकल का काम करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम सेंटर फॉर प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में अगर चले गए तो एज इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर तुम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. इट इज नॉट दैट. As electrical electronic engineer, you will be working as electrical and electronic engineer only. You will be learning that only. You will be upskilling yourself in that direction only. But ये है interdisciplinary, क्योंकि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी टीम उसके लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. एंड अनलेस अंटिल यू वर्क इन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी डोमेन, you may not produce any project. So you need to have interdisciplinary team, and these departments are interdisciplinary. There will be civil engineers also, mechanical engineer also, computer science engineer also, electrical electronics engineers also. That is the reason these departments are interdisciplinary departments. So maybe you have gate score, valid gate score, seed, and all these things are there for you, right? As of now, I'm telling you about MTech course. IISc Bangalore mein you can fill two forms. One form you can fill in which you can give three preferences for MTech, and another form you can fill for MS and PhD combined, in which you can give three preferences. Let me tell you once again what I said. आप IISc Bangalore में दो फॉर्म्स डाल सकते हैं. You can fill two forms. One form for MTech and another form for MS or PhD, that is combined. So how many forms can you fill in IISc Bangalore? You can only fill two forms in IISc Bangalore, one for MTech, another for MS and PhD combined. Now in MTech, you can give three preferences. You can give three choices, 1, 2, 3 for MTech. In MS also, you can give 1, 2, 3. Now this can be either MS or PhD, and that will be decided during interview. The professor is going to ask you, you want MS or PhD, then only you have to decide there. So in IISc Bangalore, you have to fill two forms, one for MTech, another for MS or PhD. MS में तीन choices and MS PhD also three choices. Now these three choices you have to choose very cautiously. One choice you should fill what is your optimum score, optimum basically choice. Like that means जो तुम्हें बेस्ट चाहिए. जैसे अगर तुम्हें लगता है मेरा स्कोर ऐसा है कि मे बी आई कैन गेट कंप्यूटेशनल डाटा साइंस एंड यू वांट इट, तो उसको नंबर 1 डाल दो. कंप्यूटेशनल डाटा साइंस, सपोज योर स्कोर इज हाई एंड यू थिंक यू कैन गेट इट, डाल दो. दूसरा ऐसा है मॉडरेट डाल दो. सपोज यू थिंक ओके आई मे गेट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग ऑल्सो, सो आपने मॉडरेट डाल दिया. तीसरा आप ऐसा डाल दो, लेट अस से आपको लगता है कि ओके सेंटर फॉर प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन दिस इज समथिंग जो लो जा सकता है, तो वो डाल दो. सो दैट वे 3 MTech और 3 MS में तुम डाल सकते हो. एंड द सेम थिंग यू कैन पुट इन MS also, MTech also. Like if you want that computational data science MTech also and you want to try MS also, you can do that also. So IISc Bangalore mein there are two forms you have to fill. Now I'm telling you in MTech where you can apply. In IISc Bangalore MTech where you can apply. Center for Product Design में तुम apply कर सकते हो. And please don't see these cutoffs. These cutoffs have taken from IISc site only. Please don't see the cutoff. Please do not make a wrong decision by filling as per cutoffs, because cutoffs vary year to year. It varies. There are many permutation combinations, so there is a huge variation in the cutoffs. Don't do that. Then comes aerospace, then comes electrical engineering, power system, power electronics, high voltage. Then comes instrumentation system, that is also the department in which you can apply. And it is written selection is based upon 100% on gate score. That means there is no interview or something, only gate score. So in IISc Bangalore, if you want to get admission in MTech, there will be interview, there may not be interview. Especially in the core sector, interview is not there. In interdisciplinary departments, interview is there, and he will mention where there is an interview, where he is saying, okay, 70%, 30%, written test and interview. So selection, not election, selection is based upon GATE score, 70% weightage to GATE score, 30% weightage to written test and interview. So mention karega. So sir, is there interview in MTech also? Yes, there is interview in MTech also. In all the institutes, there are some departments where there will be interview. There are some departments where there will not be any interview. So I'm talking about as of now IISc Bangalore. So this is interdisciplinary department. This one is interdisciplinary department. So in this he said, okay, there will be interview also, written exam also. So that we need to see where there is an interview and where there is a written exam. Now the question comes, in this department if I go, what will be asked in interview, what will be asked in the written exam? So remember one thing, they will ask you only related to your field. So the mentors of YourPedia will tell you on the basis of their experience that where what kind of preparation you will do, what kind of preparation you are supposed to do. That mentors will tell you, and accordingly you go prepared, so that you can make a right decision for you. I'm telling you, like, this post gate entire journey is full of opportunities, but full of mistakes also, and students tend to make a lot of mistakes. For example, if in a form there are only 3 preferences you can fill, only 3, IISc gives you chance to fill only 3 choices. Suppose you made wrong choices, you will not get a call, and your opportunity will lose. Number 2, suppose you have not prepared properly for interview and all, even if there's a call, you may not convert it. So that is something which is important for you. Okay, now these are all basically MTech courses. You are not to see these cutoffs. I'm showing you these cutoffs for little idea, but you are not to see the cutoffs. They are not actually useful for making decision. Instrumentation system, signal processing, electronic system engineering. Again, there's a weightage of GATE and there's a weightage of written exam and interview also. And then microelectronics and VLSI, and this is 70% GATE, 30% for other their own test and interview. So that is how it is, I think, MTech courses. And let me see some more MTech courses for you. Now, climate science and atmospheric oceanarian science. This climate science and atmospheric, see this name. And electronic engineer will say, मैं वहां पे जाके क्या करूंगा, climate science में मैं जाके क्या करूंगा. What is there for me? I mean, climate science में we do not have anything. I mean, as electronic engineer, what I will do in the climate science? Let me tell you honestly, climatic science में if you go as electronic engineer, you will be working in your own domain only as electronic engineer. But what is our ultimate purpose? Our ultimate purpose is to learn in my own field, to upskill myself and get a good job. So you will get a very good job from this department also. I could interact with one of the student who graduated from IISc Bangalore some 5 years back from this same department, and he was from, I think, electronics background or something, and he's doing marvelously good now in his own domain. He's doing very good. And I think I've recorded that video is there on the panel. Those of you who are accessing panel, they can listen to that also. And he's telling that what are the different companies for electronic engineer in this particular field of climate science. The graduate of climate science, MTech in climate science from IISc Bangalore, who is electronic engineer, he's doing now job in industries, and he's telling that I have got a very good package now, and they are the companies, these companies look for electronic engineer for these systems. So that kind of information may be useful for you. Electronic and communication engineering, nanoscience and engineering, you can join in this particular thing also. Then quantum technology, yes, quantum technology is also any branch can join. Robotics and autonomous system, yes, this is also a good domain for you, and you can join in this department also. Then artificial intelligence, now this is also you people can join artificial intelligence. Computational data science, that is also you people can join. Smart manufacturing, you can join this also. So can you now tell me how many departments you people can apply in MTech? Let me again count. Smart manufacturing, computational data science, artificial intelligence, and then robotics and autonomous system, quantum technology, then comes your nanoscience and engineering, electronic and communication engineering, climate science and atmospheric science, then comes your microelectronics VLSI design, then comes your electronic system engineering, signal processing, instrumentation system, power system, electrical engineering, aerospace, center for product design and manufacturing. You people can apply in all these departments, but you can only give 3 choices. Fill the choices cautiously, because these only will decide whether you get a call or not. And number two, once you get a call, you need to see whether there is a written test or interview or only on the basis of the GATE score. Something like that also you need to see. Selection is based on GATE score or selection is based on GATE score and interview. So as you can see, majority of the places you will get across interview. You will have an interview in majority of places. I don't think they ask for SOPs, much SOPs in IIScs, but IIT Madras is full of SOPs. You will get a lot of SOPs in IIT Madras. So that is how it is to be done. And now let's move on very interesting journey of MTech RA, MS. MS is something which is really good. I personally like MS. You know why? Because MS gives you, number one, better placements. You know, I think majority of students and even teachers, and this is I'm telling to teachers also, many teachers in colleges and coaching industries. I'm telling this to teachers also, that when student come and approach you for guidance, normally they say that MS is for PhD, MS is for research, MS के बाद teaching करता है. Let me tell all of you, MS में you get better opportunity for placement. And I'm telling you this on the basis of my own experience of so many years in IIT system, on the basis of my interaction with thousands of students like you, and on the basis of my interaction with the professors. MS gives you better career opportunities and better placements. There are two reasons for that. Number one, MS में theoretical courses are less. That means you will learn more the courses which are required by industries. आप ऐसे courses सीखते हो जो industries को चाहिए, which increase your skill for industry. Number one. Number two, you get sufficient time to prepare for placement. You know, MS is 6 months more you get. You get sufficient time to prepare for placements. You enhance your skill and you get time to prepare for placement. These two things together provide you better opportunity for placements. Sir, all the companies which are coming for MTech are permitting MS also? Answer is yes. All the companies which are coming for MTech, they are permitting the MS students also. So if they are permitting you and if your skill is good, you can get better jobs. So remember this always, that MS is better for placements. Number one. Number two, those of you who want to go for PhD abroad or PhD in India or want to go for PhD, MS is very good course. And that is the reason students misunderstand it, that MS means PhD only. MS certainly gives you advantage in PhD, but MS gives you good opportunity in placements also. That is number one. Number two, even if your GATE score is not high, MS May admission is not on the basis of GATE score. It is on the basis of combination of GATE score plus CGPA. And then you get a call. And then, some places they want your research proposal or SOP. And then there's an interview. And mailing the professor certainly helps. This year, YourPedia is asking the students to mail the professor a lot. And we are also going to share, and we are sharing with you some of the, mailing formats also. And many results have started coming. I mean, recently in IIT Gandhinagar, early MTech, early PhD, some of the students mailed professors and they're getting the response. And they're not from so-called select institutes. जो बच्चों ने बोला कि सर मैं तो select institute से हूं ही नहीं, और उन्होंने प्रोफेसर को मेल किया, सर मेरा रैंक क्लास में इतना था और मेरे को इसमें इंटरेस्ट है, कैन आई ज्वाइन अंडर योर गाइडेंस? एंड प्रोफेसर सेड यस यू कैन अप्लाई, एंड जूम पे उन्होंने इंटरेक्ट वगैरह किया. देयर आर सो मेनी सच केसेस. So we are also guiding you this time to how to mail professor to go for this. So now this MTech research, it is also called MS. In IIT Bombay and IISc Madras, IISc Bangalore, it is called MTech research, but it is MS course. And PhD and MS ke liye there is a single form. So how many preference you can fill in IISc Bangalore for this? There are 3 preferences, and in one form you have to fill it that. Now what is there, what department you can apply for, which department you can apply for here? Brain and artificial intelligence you can apply, climate change you can apply, cyber physical system you can apply, water research interdisciplinary department you can apply, mathematical science energy department you can apply, this department you can apply, and then biosystem science and engineering. So in all these departments, there is a direct PhD. In all these departments, there is a direct PhD. So can direct PhD be converted into MS or MTech or MS, and I can go along with that? In certain situations, yes. And listen to the interaction, attend the interaction of one of the students who joined PhD, got his PhD converted into MS, got a placement, and went out of the institute with MS degree. So that case is there, and I will make you interact with such cases also. So all these departments you will be applying for direct PhD. What are these? So these are the departments in which you will be applying only for direct PhD. And then comes PhD and MTech RA. So there are some departments in which you have got both the options, like instrumentation and applied physics mein you can apply for that. Management studies mein you will get PhD in management studies. Material engineering mein you have got options for PhD also, and you have MTech RA also. And this detail I'm giving you, for IISc Bangalore, which departments you can apply. And Center for Product Design and Manufacturing, yes, you can go for this. MTech also, and as you remember, this department you could have applied for MTech also. So when you apply two forms, you can apply for MTech also, you can apply for MS also. Suppose you want to apply for particular department, आपको MTech के लिए भी apply करना है, MTech RA के लिए भी apply करना है, आप उसमें भी apply कर सकते हैं. So Center for Product Design and Manufacturing, Earth Science, Atmospheric Oceanarian Science, Aerospace, Center for Nanoscience and Engineering, Interdisciplinary Nanoscience and Engineering, Computational and Data Science में MS भी है और PhD भी है. Electronic System में MTech भी है और PhD में भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिकल में भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड कम्युनिकेशन में भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड ऑटोमेशन में कर सकते हैं, हाई एनर्जी फिजिक्स ऑल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई, and then mathematics also you can apply, astronomy astrophysics mein you can apply, material research mein you can apply, in organic and physical chemistry mein you can apply, neuroscience mein, molecular physics mein you can apply, ecological sciences mein you can apply, chemical engineering department mein also you can apply. Now chemical engineering department mein as electronic engineer what you will do, so there are so many research areas in which as chemical engineer, as electronic engineer, you can work in chemical department. Have you not heard about e-mobility nowadays or e-vehicles nowadays? There are so many electronic engineers which are working in chemical department and working in the domain of e-mobility or e-vehicles and all. So because this research on your cells and all these things which are required for your e-vehicles, so this entire thing is going on with the help of electronic engineers. So yes, you can apply in departments like chemical department also, where very less electrical engineers apply. They do not apply thinking that maybe they will not get opportunity, they will not get career there, and maybe I do not know chemical engineering. So as electronic engineer, you are not going to study chemical engineering. As electronic engineer, you are going to study as electronic engineer only, you are going to work in that area only, but department is chemical department, and there you can do MTech RA. So suppose now your GATE score is very less, you say sir my GATE score is very less, my GATE score is only 400 GATE score, I'm a general category student, 400 GATE score, my CGPA is 7.5, let us say sir मेरे को IISc में एडमिशन मिल जाएगा, बिल्कुल मिल जाएगा, तुम अप्लाई करो, ऐसे ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट्स में कॉल आ जाएगा, कॉल आता है ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट से, लेकिन तुम तीन ही डिपार्टमेंट में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, ओनली 3 डिपार्टमेंट्स यू कैन अप्लाई, and that is where you need to make a very judicious decision where you can do that. So many of you keep on asking, this is my score, this is my, where can I apply? This is not that I give you a list, I need to discuss with you, I need to talk to you, and I need to tell you that on the basis of my experience, I mean these are the departments in which you can apply, and that will be helpful to you. Do not apply arbitrarily, it may not help you, because if you started applying that somebody tells you VLSI में apply कर दो, call नहीं आएगा suppose, because competition है उसमें, इतने ज्यादा डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, कई डिपार्टमेंट्स में स्टूडेंट को पता ही नहीं है, they don't even apply, and if you are the first to apply you get a call and you get a very good job also. IISc का ब्रांड लग जाएगा तुम्हारे साथ, काम तुम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर का कर रहे हो. नाउ सर आई एम डूइंग माय MS in IISc Bangalore in the field of sensors, but the department is chemical department, then what? Even if it is a chemical department, you are working as in a sensor domain only, so what is the trouble in that? I am giving you one example, one such example, and then there are so many such departments. Similarly, ecological sciences, naam pe mat jao, don't go on name. In ecological sciences, if you join as electronic engineer, I am not going to take work from you as ecology engineer or some kind of meteorological engineer or some kind of geologist. I'm going to take the work of electronic engineer only. That is how you have to apply. So all these are for MTech RA, these departments. Let me summarize this exam, so you need to be prepared for this. Then that's electronic system, that is you can apply as MTech RA also. Computational data science, then there's a nanoscience, and then there's a aerospace, and there's atmospheric ocean science, and then earth science, center for product design and manufacturing. Material engineering is a very big, very good department, material engineering, but very less students have information about material engineering. They are not very clear about this department, but this department is very good. Lot of career opportunities in this. In fact, one of our students has got a very good placement also from this department. So these are really good departments, so you can think of applying in this. Instrumentation and applied physics, biosystem science and engineering, these are good departments, and you keep on applying in all these departments, right? Smart manufacturing is a very good department. There you can apply. Computational data science is good, artificial intelligence is good. So these all departments are for your MTech RA and MTech. So I have discussed with you two departments, that is IIT Hyderabad and IISc Bangalore today, where you can apply, but you need to make a very judicious decision for you, because that decision is going to be valuable decision for your career. And before I take your questions and start answering to your questions, let me tell you, IIT हैदराबाद, IIIT बेंगलोर, दोनों के फॉर्म्स निकल चुके हैं, दोनों में एमएस है, और दोनों के अंदर विदाउट गेट, नो गेट स्कोर वाले लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अप्लाई इन दोज डोमेन्स ऑल्सो. प्रिपेयर वेल विद YourPedia. अगर आपको अपना स्कोर मैक्सिमाइज करना है, you can trust YourPedia for that, because we have done that activity very efficiently for the last many years. So you can basically proceed with that. Let me now see some of your questions, what you guys are asking now. Yes, MS in IIIT Hyderabad, IIIT Bangalore can be done in 2 years only, and otherwise it can be 2.5 years. Self-sponsored in IIIT Hyderabad is there. There is self-sponsored in IIIT Hyderabad. Okay, so if your CGPA is 9.7 Akash and 565, you will get multiple calls from MTech RA or MS and PhDs. Multiple calls you will get it. Trust me, multiple calls. NIT का काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. NITs का मैं आपको बताऊंगा which departments you can apply, where you can apply. That soon I will do that. Mechatronics is very good. I mean, this IIT Patna ka mechatronics is very good, and you can apply in that MS for mechatronics also. See, 61 marks in electronics and communication gate is very good. But Devansh, you have to tell me your CGPA also. Devansh, CGPA is also one criteria. MSc Electronics people are eligible to sit in placement with the MTech people. You can sit in placement, so that opportunities are also there with you. So yeah, written test IIIT हैदराबाद, written test के जो questions हैं, written test का जो format है, वो YourPedia से तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. You will get that. YourPedia mentors have that format. Yes, you will get those questions from the mentors of YourPedia. See, 450 to 500 with gate score, you will get call from MS MTech RA. calls आपको मिल जाएंगी. आपको उसको convert करना है. That is what you have to do. Schedule caste 360 is something you if your CGPA is more than 7.5, you will get MS calls from many places. New IIT से you will get MTech also, and NIT Southern NIT से तुम्हें VLSI को छोड़ के बाकी डिपार्टमेंट्स में तुम्हें MTech भी मिल जाएगा. Southern NIT और नॉर्थ के NIT से तुम्हें VLSI you will get it with 360 SC category. You will get that. Yeah, 8.4 देवांश is very good. 8.4 score is very good, जिसमें आपको कॉल आ जाएगा MS के लिए. 8.4 is good. Instrumentation 65 marks are really good, Naidu. That is very good. IT, yes, obviously IITs में you will get it chance. See, those you are asking there is a chance in IIT. Let me tell you, there is a chance in IIT. Only thing is you have to meticulously prepare for next couple of months. That is my point actually. IITs में there is a chance for every one of you. You are to basically apply for that. I told you, no, if you apply in one course artificial intelligence, you do not get a call. Suppose you apply for another smart manufacturing, you get a call. Listen to me carefully. If you apply in computational data science, you don't get a call. You will not get a call. If you apply in smart manufacturing, you will get a call. So now tell me, do you have chance or not? So depending upon your gate score, your credentials, everyone has a chance. Only thing is you have to apply at a right place. You have to apply at a right department. Then you have got a chance. 8.89 and 400 gate score is very good, approved. This is for VLSI, MS certainly, and maybe if you can consider PhD. And I will ask you to apply for PhD courses also. PhDs are really good courses for job, because PhD में आजकल बहुत अच्छी जॉब कॉर्पोरेट में रिसर्च में लगती है. VLSI PhD from old IITs, if your CGPA is 8.5 plus and suppose your gate score is valid gate score, you apply for PhD. The moment you get a call or you get selected, please discuss with me. I will tell you how to pursue your PhD properly and how to convert that into selection in some particular career. I will discuss with you. That is very good actually. OBC 517 gate score BTech, that is actually good for application. So I need to, depending upon your credentials, I need to tell you that you please apply in these particular domains, and then you can explore those options. That is what is to be done. Interdisciplinary branches may, as and when you get call. So what happens on YourPedia? Suppose you get a call from smart manufacturing. Suppose you get a call from smart manufacturing. Then what we do? We call the students who are in IISc Bangalore in smart manufacturing, and they will tell you in detail what kind of questions are normally asked. So they will tell you what questions are asked. So on YourPedia platform, we will call them on Zoom interaction. You will have Zoom interaction with them, and they will tell you what questions are asked. Plus our mentors will also tell you what questions are normally asked in these departments. This is how it is to be done. Research paper, yes. Now how to write research paper and all, for that we have a very exhaustive data with us. We have a lot of data with us, how to write the research paper, SOPs, how to write all this. We have those things with us, and our mentors will guide you how to write a research paper, and that is not a problem for us. Research paper, you should certainly apply in those courses where they are asking for SOP and SOR. So if they are asking for SOP, SOR, certainly you should apply in those departments. Yes, 9 plus Delhi University is very good actually. So talk to our physics mentor Jyoti, and she will certainly guide you for that. The Delhi University 9 CGPA is good, quite good. 450 and 2 years of work experience, 8.4. Yeah, work experience, work experience will be very, very helpful the moment you reach the interview. And how you will reach interview? Apply for MS, and with 8 plus CGPA applies for MS, and you will certainly get the interview call. And once you get interview call, you can convert that into some kind of selection because of your job experience. 8.84, 453. See, if your CGPA is more than 7 general category, last year I've seen MS call even at 6.7 CGPA, one of the student from general category. So if your CGPA is more than 7, then certainly you have a chance to get call from MS. So if your CGPA is more than 7, certainly you can get call from MS. That is what you should try to basically get into that. Okay, so that is, most of you are asking questions related to from where you will get a call. So don't you worry, we will all tell you from where you get a call. Our mentors will guide you thoroughly for that. Yes, Shika, I understood. This is what your category is. Yes, NITs, top NITs have self-sponsored. Top NITs like NIT Surathkal, NIT Warangal, these NITs have self-sponsored seats, and we will tell you where the self-sponsored seats are there. Yes, that is there. 850 to 860 is very good. So apply in top management courses, and apply in computational data science courses also. These courses you should apply. Yes, Rahul, I am talking about you. You should apply in data science. And yes, so Rahul, please get in touch with Gurvinder sir immediately. So those of you who want to start getting the this let me tell you, those of you who are interested for getting mentorship from YourPedia, they can call on this number 9855273076. Gurvinder sir's number. You can get in touch with him and you can start doing, because every day we are having interactions with the students. So this time, before GATE result is out, this time you can utilize on learning a lot, because on YourPedia there's a lot of learning content kept. For the last 4 or 5 years, whatever guidance we have provided to students in the form of interview guidance and all, so those all details are kept here on the website. So this particular time before your result is out, please devote that particular time for learning. You can learn a lot, you can learn from those modules, and that time you can utilize fully. So try to do that. Yes, 610 electrical, why not? OBC 610 is a very good score, no? I told you. So 393 and CGPA 9.58. Gopu, you will get call from any IIT, I'm telling you. Wherever you apply, if your CGPA is 9.5 CGPA, Gopu, listen to me carefully. If your CGPA is 9.5, wherever you apply, you will get call from for PhD. But you need to write research proposal, get in touch with Gurvinder sir, and you need to basically prepare for the interview. That's it. You will get multiple calls, Gopu. I'm telling you that honestly. So this is multiple calls, you will get it. Okay, now this 534 7.5 electrical engineering. Yes. So as you know, you are sending me those of you who are 9 plus CGPA. Those of you who are 9 plus CGPA, they are having multiple opportunities in different departments. Please get in touch with Gurvinder sir. I'm telling you that if you want to convert your whatever score you have, if your CGPA is 9 plus CGPA, then there are certain departments from where you will surely get call, and they are wonderful department. Get in touch with Gurvinder sir as soon as possible. So they are very good departments for you. Yes, so these are, yes, you can certainly get calls from this. So 8.4 CGPA, NIT 5. So you mean you are from NIT? Jatin, are you from NIT? If Jatin, you are from NIT, then under centrally funded technical institute, I need to tell you from where you will get calls and you should apply there. If Jatin, you are from then NIT or centrally funded technical institute, those of you who are from centrally funded technical institute, again get in touch. Yes, Jatin, get in touch with Gurinder sir today itself. And there are so many centrally funded technical institutes. There are so many IITs where centrally funded technical institutes you are eligible. Yes, IIT Gandhinagar mein, if your CGPA Shikha is 8.4, you can get a call, but I think you have applied there. You have sent your SOP also, Shikha, right? Shikha, have you mailed the professor? Shikha, have you mailed the professor of IIT Gandhinagar and with whom you want to do your PhD? Have you mailed the professor? Because mailing the professor is very important, Shikha. So those of you who want to, do PhD and all, they need to mail the professors also. So Shikha, have you mailed the professor? That is very, very important. So IIT Gandhinagar mein, you will get a call, but you need to mail. Yes. Yes sir, no sir means Shikha, you have sent SOP, but you have not mailed the professor. My advice is identify the professor, please mail him. That sir, I have applied in IIT Gandhinagar and I am interested to work under your guidance. Please provide me a chance. Drop a mail, Shikha. And yes, Shikha, you have to do that. And Shikha, I tell you one more thing. You will get a call. Start making a small PPT. Start making a small PPT, because a small PPT is required at the time of interview. Start making a small PowerPoint presentation. This nobody will ask you. This nobody tells you. But if you want to get selected, try to do this. Nobody will tell you to mail the professor. Nobody will tell you what to mail the professor. Nobody will tell you to make the PPT. But if you want to get selected, please make the PPT. That is very, very important. Topic to Shikha, you are to see from the research work of the professor. See what work professor is doing and try to write something related to that. Try to write that this is what I want to do, Shikha. CGPA 9.9 plus, all the 9 plus guys, please, call Gurvinder sir and start, start your journey, because you will get the calls. 9 plus CGPA for sure. 9 plus CGPA for sure will get the calls. I'm telling you that. 9 plus CGPA and 620 and 7. Yes, MS call. MS call Vikas Shukla, 7 plus this MS calls for you for sure from top IITs, old IITs. 7.64 ST category. See, ST category 400 score. 400 score ST category. Certainly you will get call from old IITs. Apply in MTech also, apply in MS also. MTech RA also, MS also, and apply in one your dream department, like let's say computational data science. Then apply in moderate and apply in low. MTech and MS both. You will get a call from IISc also with ST category. So those who are from ST category, SC category, PWD category, please do not see the cutoffs and just apply for MTech RA and MS calls. You will get the calls from this. There are multiple opportunities. You will get the calls from there. 8.45 and 400 journal category. Typical, you will get maximum probability from PhD courses, and then next is your MS courses. Let me tell you, there is something which is called Prime Minister Research Fellowship, PMRF. There is something which is called Prime Minister Research Fellowship. Now you get 70,000 rupees per month scholarship under this. If you join IITs for PhDs, or if you join some institute for PhD, then in the first or second semester there is an interview for you, and if you do really good in that interview, you get Prime Minister Research Fellowship. So nowadays PhD is a very good course by IITs. IIT Gandhinagar spends 10 lakh rupees on you to send you abroad during your PhD. So during your PhD, you go to countries like America, USA, and stay there for 8-9 months in some lab and do your lab work there. So that is also one of the good things about PhD nowadays. So those of you who have little inclination for academics, please apply in these PhD courses, because nowadays PhD mein scholarship is very high. Let me tell you, triple IT Bangalore mein for MS course the scholarship is 20,000 rupees. For PhD they will give you 43,000. 43,000 per month you will get for PhD in triple IT Bangalore. Listen to my video which I am uploading today. So you get lot of good opportunities there and lot of good career opportunities. Every student from electrical, electronics, instrumentation background, the placement is not problem for you guys. Placement is not problem for computer science IT guys. For you there are so many placements in your core field also and non-core field also. And like for computer science and IT, there is nothing like non-core. Their core and non-core is the same thing. Similarly, electronics, electrical, instrumentation, even non-core get mixed with the core and you get the hybrid placements. So you guys start getting hybrid placements, and hence that is the best for you. 50 marks in instrumentation branch with 8 CGPA. Typical case of getting calls from MTech and getting called from MS both. 800 GATE score VLSI in IISc MS. Yes, please apply MTech and MS both VLSI in your IISc Bangalore, and maybe MS course may they can ask you whether you want PhD or MS, but you will get that particular opportunity there. You see, IIT Hyderabad mein self sponsored mein you need to, there is a competition, Vishal, there is a competition in IIT Hyderabad, but I'm sure you can clear that. There is competition in IIT Hyderabad, triple IT Hyderabad and IIT Hyderabad, but you will clear that. Certainly you will do that. Journal, Shubham Pandey, you are journal category 560 score electronics. Why not? There's a good opportunity. 560 score in electronics is a good score. You will get obviously the calls. You have to convert that. MTech is better or PSU? See, that depends upon your own interest. So MTech may you can get a very good package also. Growth can be very high. PSU is a stable job, and growth is fixed. The way you get it, I know PSU may start your journey with 1 lakh rupee in hand, maybe 80,000, 70,000 rupees in hand. But in private sector, some jobs you get very high package. So this is your interest. So that depends what you want from this. Okay, Vamsi, nice to see you once again. I think we have interacted earlier. 75% BTech, and this score is good for master's program. So Raha 9.3 CGPA is really cool. Arvind Raha, I told you 9 plus guys. Please get in touch with Guruvinder sir. 9 plus guys, and centrally funded technical institute, guys, please get in touch with Gurvinder sir. There are a lot of opportunities for you. Yes, Akash 700 and 9.64, please apply computational data science in MS form also, MTech form also. Apply both the forms, MTech and MS forms, both you should apply. Yes, that is there. This is basically very good for you. You can get it. 8.6 and 610 electrical. Yes, top IIT से call आएगा आपको 100%. You will get the calls. You will get that. Certainly you will get that. And those of you who are already there on the platform of YourPedia, they are accessing the platform. Please start looking, watching the videos of students we have uploaded on YourPedia and with your GATE score. So I have interacted with hundreds of students of different institutes, and as per their scores, please start listening to all those videos which are very relevant for you, and they provide lot of information to you. You see, BITS Pilani embedded system is very good. 540 gate score instrumentation. Please write the HD exam Prakhar. Prakhar, please write the HD exam also. 650 and 9.0. I told you, data science, artificial intelligence, 9 plus CGPA. Please apply for PhD and MS program in data science and artificial intelligence. You have a very good chance from there. So because of your high CGPA, certainly you will get a good call from these departments. That is good departments, and I'm sure you will get a very good call from there. Okay, yes, now you can get old IIT 450 gate score. Depends upon your CGPA. So if you're mechanical engineer and CGPA is more than 8 or 7.5, yes, you get a call from old IITs with that CGPA. कुछ जगह में एमटेक में राहुल इंटरव्यू होता है, कुछ जगह पे मैंने आपको बताया इंटरव्यू होता है, सब जगह पे इंटरव्यू नहीं होता है, कुछ जगह पे इंटरव्यू होता है. यस, some places there is interview. MSc in artificial intelligence, data science, not much experience. This experience is not required, but sometimes they ask you very basic things. So my advice to all those who are looking forward to join data science, artificial intelligence, so my advice to you is start learning little bit about these courses. Start learning little bit about artificial intelligence, data science kind of courses. Little bit you start learning, because in the interview they might ask you related to that. So those who do not have any background, please start learning it. And I told you our ultimate purpose is to get the good job. Yeah, Pachauri, I told you that if your CGPA is more than 9, please get in touch with Gurvinder sir. You guys will get lot of opportunity this summers. If your CGPA is more than 9, please get in touch with Gurvinder sir. If you are from centrally funded technical institute, please get in touch with Gurvinder sir. You'll get lot of opportunities. There are certain categories which are 100% going to get multiple calls. There are certain categories like scheduled tribe category, PWD category, 9 plus CGPA category, centrally funded technical institute categories. You are sure to get multiple calls wherever you apply. These are some of the categories. So please get in touch with Gurvinder sir if you are in this particular category. This is the contact number. You please get in touch and he will tell you where you get the opportunities further. So that is there. MSc Electronics and 33 marks. Yes, Rajesh, you have MSc Electronics get the same opportunity as MTech Electronics. So you will get call from MS course. MSc के बाद MS course होता है. You will get call from there, and you will get calls. MSc Electronics is as good as BTech actually. They consider it equal to BTech. So 7 plus 0.3 and physics department में Rajesh, maybe you can apply in physics department. Physics department में also you will get opportunity in the physics department. Okay, good NIT and 453. You need to Shikha go till spot round. So Shikha, you need to go till spot round, and if you go till spot round, you have a great chance there. Fellowship program in management in 7.97. Yes, you need to like IIT. I think अभी एक IIM इंदौर नहीं, एक IIM उदयपुर से सेम आपके स्कोर के इक्वलेंट एक स्टूडेंट को कॉल आया है IIM उदयपुर से. सो आई थिंक ये फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम में आपके स्कोर पे कॉल आने के चांस हैं. So if you have applied for early PhD, just wait. You have to mail the professor. I'm sure you must have mailed professor also. The moment you mail professor, you start getting some kind of reply from the professor, right? So I think more or less we have discussed about these things. Let me tell you now, we wind up this particular session, this wonderful session here. And let me again tell all of you here, those of you who want to convert their scores, convert their gate scores into selection, or those who have not got the gate score and still want very good opportunities for them, be the part of YourPedia. There are so many things on YourPedia which you can learn: Indian admissions, abroad admissions. And I tell you one more thing, there are some foreign institutes which consider the gate scores. You should have lot of information, right? You should have lot of informations before you make any decision, because lack of information should not become the reason of your not exploring the options. Information के साथ आप आगे proceed करें, and बहुत सी information है, बहुत सी opportunities है. You can surely convert those things, right? uh, not got call from Google form. There are so many students who have filled the Google form. Let me request each one of you, those who have not got the call, they will get the call, because there are so many students who have filled the Google form. Our executives are going to call each one of you. Soon you will get a call. Those who have not got a call, please you can feel free to call on this number, 9855273076. Those who have not got the call after filling the Google form, they can call on this number. This is the urgency number. If you call it, this number is picked up, so you will certainly get a response from here, and you can proceed forward with YourPedia. So I'm telling you honestly, so the moment you join YourPedia, you will find lot of things there. You'll find lot of hidden facts there, and a lot of services there. Almost every day we are having 2 to 3 sessions with the students, alumni students of these IITs and all. You are getting a lot of wonderful information from them. And if you want to convert now this particular part, gate no gate, into career, and you want to go forward, because there are many things, I tell you, it is not simply that where should I fill the form. There are many things in this particular journey. So next journey, YourPedia is going to help you and is going to be expert for guiding you through this particular journey now. So thank you all for being with me, and keep watching YourPedia. Listen to IIIT Bangalore video which we have uploaded. Listen to that. For you, there are a lot of opportunities. All the best, and thank you.